Let's try to trace down a pumpkin. For this we are making the oval shape at the center, then we are drawing some more C shape around this oval shape. This will get converted into a pumpkin as shown here. You can use any of the color, usually the orange one, but we are using yellow. Capsicums are very healthy for us. They are full of minerals and the vitamins. It's necessary to include them in our diet. And capsicums are of two colors, green one and the red one, and somewhat orangish one. Today we are going to draw this green capsicum. We usually keep different types of the vegetables in some baskets, and today we are going to draw one of the basket that's full of the vegetables. For this we are drawing some of the vertical and the horizontal lines as shown here, and a diamond shape is placed at the center. Next we are going to draw the vegetables at the top of the basket as shown here. This one is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 11 and 12. Corns are very tasty and they are so sweet. We can make the corn flour from taking the seeds and crushing them. Today we are going to draw the two corns as shown here. This one is very easy. First you have to make some elongated shape as shown here. Then we have to draw the seeds, and for that we have to make some lines. Brinjal is somewhat banana shaped vegetable, and we are going to draw this in just few simple steps. It's usually purple in color.